roasted cauliflower and coconut soup. I'm and it's still winter, and it seems like winter is never going away. I'm really feeling like a warm and comforting soup. Today I'm going to make a roasted cauliflower and a coconut soup. It's vegetarian as well as it's vegan, and it's really satisfying. Before I go any further with this recipe, do make sure that you subscribe to my channel. I upload new videos every week, and also ring the bell. That's YouTube's new bell icon that will notify you every time I upload a new video. Now, let's make some soup. I've got a head of cauliflower here, and I'm just going to take this apart. So I have about 2 cups of florets. I have a pan heating up with some oil, and in go all the florets. I just want to get a little bit of color and char on these before I add 3 cloves of garlic that I've sliced. Now this is roughly about 2 tablespoons, and I'm also going to add 1 tablespoon of sliced green chilies. I'm going to turn the cauliflower periodically so it gets a good color on all sides. Next, I'm going to add some powdered spices. A half teaspoon of turmeric, a half teaspoon of red chili powder, followed by 1 teaspoon of cumin powder. Before the spices start to burn, I'm going to add a half cup of coconut milk, and I'm going to mix everything well together. Now I'm going to allow the cauliflower to cook in this liquid. Once the coconut milk thickens, I'm going to add a 1/4 cup of water, and I'm going to continue to cook this. While this cooks, I'm just going to clean up. The liquid has thickened up now, and I'm going to turn off the heat, and I'm going to allow this to cool. The cauliflower is now cool, so I'm going to spoon this into my blender. I've reserved a few tablespoons of the roasted cauliflower that I'm going to use as a garnish later. Give the cauliflower a little bit of a pulse. And then I'm going to add 4 cups of coconut milk. I'm going to cover this and puree it. I've poured this into a pot, and I'm going to heat this up. I'm also going to add another half to 1 cup of water. It depends on how thin you want the consistency of your soup. Add about a teaspoon of salt or more to taste. This soup is looking good, so I'm going to add about a half cup of cooked peas. I'm also going to add a 1/4 cup of chopped coriander, and I'm going to give it a good stir, and I'm going to garnish it with the reserved cauliflower, and this is ready to eat. Thank you so much for joining me on Cravings Food Adventures. I hope you enjoyed this super delicious recipe. It's simple, it's easy to prepare, it's really comforting, and it's also great to take to work the next day for leftovers. Make sure that you subscribe to my channel, guys. I upload new videos every week. Share my channel as well as my videos with your family and friends. I really hope to hit 50,000 subscribers by the end of the year, and I know that you can help me get there. And also follow me on all of my social channels. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, and even Snapchat. And don't forget to ring the bell, that's YouTube's new bell icon. It will notify you every time I upload a new video. Until I see you, do take care guys. Bye.